Put that one in. Yeah. Cut in. No. Yeah. Do that.
Do that now, yeah.
Stay still, stay still. Go on, all the way up. Look how shiny my van is. Beauty. Just annoys me about this bloody wheel here. Spare wheel. It's been on for about a year, I think. It's shiny, innit? Going to all quarries now. Look at the front of this. This is what really annoys me. Got there. They don't clean underneath the bumper with the jet washers. Does my head in. So what we're doing here is we are driving in from this entrance. This is Meanwood High Street, I believe. We're tipping here because this generous man here with a shop has allowed us through. This is officially the front garden, which is weird. Because the street name is at the other side of the house, but this is the front garden. Anyway, but yeah, tipping hardcore there, walking down this garden, and then this is coming in for the patio. Just saves us walking up steps and stuff. But what I do tend to do is I always tend to buy whoever's helped us out, so that shopkeeper. I always tend to buy them like some beers or whatever, but they're Asian, so they won't drink. And he sells beer, probably. So what the frig do I buy him to say thanks? Or do I just give him a generous handshake? What do I do? Don't know. I don't know. So we are on with the wall. Oliver's setting his own bricks up, putting it on. I'm doing the corner cuts over here because it's a bit of a triangle pillar. But yeah, there's a drain gone in down the side here. Perforated pipe, land drain. Goes down here, and then there's a decent sized water hole on this side. One in the middle, one at the far end. So any water. Obviously it's on a slope, as you can see, with hardcore. So the water goes through the soil, but then doesn't soak through this. So you tend to find surface runoff, but not it's underneath the soil. It'll run straight to this quite fast. Quite fast. Faster than soaking in. So we're doing that. We're putting a drain. That drain then goes all the way up to roughly that air brick there. Might pull it. I can't use my fingers when I'm like this. I've got to move the phone. Might pull it across there. But yeah, so I'll go this week. I'll go. And I know Mr. Chris, the next customer, his wife is watching the videos. Hi. We are coming to you. All we've got to do is a wall and a patio. We're coming to you Monday, promise. Super promise. So I'll buy you guys a beer. So I bet you guys drink. But yeah, it's all good. Only thing we haven't done on this job yet is choose the porcelain. Now, the porcelain, bit grand designer. Black door as well, which I've just noticed. Black door, black windows, black building. In the bathroom. Have you been at the bathroom yet?
No.
In the bathroom, there's a black wall, black mat toilet, black sink, and an artist has come in and sprayed orange, like alien dots all over the bathroom. It's really good. But just a bit out there. At the same time. But yeah, they're on about black patio. Yeah, got my black pipe as well. They're on about a black patio. I think it'll be a bit too much. I'd go like his last porcelain, ground cream. I'd go cream on this one. But it's totally up to them. They've got like 2 days to decide, so pressure's on. But yeah, let's get walling, get some cutting. I'll see you soon.
Can Tom do a bit of bricklaying, or is it? Or is it just a bit of you?
Yeah. You got in alright, yeah?
Shit there, innit? You can't. Them lights. You can't tell left to go down there. And you can't turn right. here, so I have to go past Fit Shop, right, and then down another street, and then back on myself, do like a big circle.
That's that. It's them new lights.
Yeah.
We've got to come down here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I came up
Oh, fish shop.
Fish Shop, yeah.
Yeah, come round. Yeah, down. Yeah, I know who you are. Everyone speaks up about it.
Not surprised.
No one wants to come down here.
Nah.
Everyone wants to go that way.
Just doing it roll wrong.
Yeah, I would. Yeah.
It's my other brother that's called Bragg.
Lift the patio, put it back down. Replace decking in front of garden office thing. And relay put some porcelain on top of planters. They did it on their own in COVID. They put porcelain on and it's like it's got a cut round the pipe, gas pipe, and it's got a like that much to be cut off at the end of it. Just gone. Oh, I can't do that.
Last one I get there. Just spoke to him. Yeah.
So just had a meeting with a customer, and this now is the height of the hardcore going across, and that's going right up to there. So it only goes a metre past the door, going right to that corner. But yeah, this wall. Let's have a look from down here. It's friggin' massive, done it from down here. It's not 1.8. That's what it's going to finish at. 1.8. So I think they will be two more runs. It's got to be that much bigger than me. So, because I'm a G and a bit, that's how big it wants to be. But yeah, that's it for today. We've done well. We've done 6 courses, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And your halves, obviously. But yes, more tomorrow. See you tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp.